I just want to put my compassion into this offering, into this presentation, and say that we're so grateful to all the gifts, to all of the generosity that has come out of the Amazon rainforest towards us as Westerners, all of the food plants, all of the medicine plants, all of the cultural practices, all of the beautiful embroideries and paintings and jewelry and items that are woven prayers that we carry with us into our lives, that become protective amulets and hold us in a beautiful vibrational place. And one of the ways that we can be in Aini right now is not to turn our gaze away, and also not to get inundated by the grief, because it is a lot of grief, it is a lot of loss that is happening, but to continue to hold awareness of what's happening, to continue to send prayers. At the very least, we can do that to really hold our attention, and specifically to ask for balance, to ask for the return of the waters to these places in a gentle and balanced way, so that there isn't a backlash and then more flooding, and then to continue to find ways to re-educate and to create a desire to foster and continue life in these endangered and beautiful places. And people need to understand that it's not it's not allowed, right? We have to put boundaries there where people are choosing to act out of greed and disregard. And two, we have to educate so that people understand the consequences of what they're doing for their own children and for future generations. So any way that we can support education, any action we can take to support education, any action we can take to replant and to promote reforestation during the winter months, and any action that we can do to re-educate people, I think is really important. So here are a few links that I'm including, and I hope that if you are able, if you have any extra at your disposition of resources, please feel free to reach out to me directly, and I'm happy to help make a connection happen in that way. Muchas gracias. Thank you from my heart to yours.